Okay, so the last test in this exercise 5.1 again. Just follow me and write like this. Test 5.1F, exercise 5.1, question A1 to 6 of them are the textbook on page 203. No, not 203, 103. 103. So write it like this. The portion. Okay. Read the first question, A1. So here, the next term of the AP root 7, root 28 and root 63 is we have to find. So here, very clearly the given AP, given arithmetic progression, root 7, comma, root 28, comma, root 63. So the first three terms are given like this. Now we know that we can write this in another way, root 7, and you will agree with me if I write like this. 4 into how much? 28. Let's find from here itself we can find 4 7s are 28. Then, okay, the better way is like this, 7 into how much is 63. Simple, right? 7 9s are 63. So we can change root 63 into the form of 9 into 7, because 9 7 is the same, 63. 4 7s are 28. That way we can write in this form. That's why we're doing. Root 4 can come out of the root as 2. 2 2s will come out single. Root 7, no pairs, no partner, so it remains inside. Then here, root 9 is a perfect square. So root 9 means 3 3s are 9 will come out as single 3. And since this 7 has no partner, so it remains inside the root. In other words, we can't take out because it doesn't form a couple with another 7, right? Now we have to find the fourth term. First, second, third term are given, means A1, A2, A3. So if you want to find the fourth term, we have to find the common difference first. So D common difference is, okay, A2 minus A1. Or you can also take A3 minus A2. It's up to you. One of them is enough. So A3 is here, A2 is here, 2 root 7 minus A1 here, root 7. And 2 root 7 minus 1 root 7. No number here means 1. Is something like 2x minus 1x, or x, which is 2 minus 1, 1x. Similarly, plus 2 root 7 minus 1 root 7 is 1 root 7, the one we never write. Right, it's something like 2x minus 1x is equal to x, because we don't write 1 here as well. Even though it means 1x, we don't write, we understand it to be 1 without writing it. So once you get the common difference, go back to question. The next term of this series only up to third term, so the next term will be A4, the fourth term. So you write here A4. You can just write here the A4. The next term, answering the question specifically, the next term, which is obviously A4. Okay, A4 will be equal to A3, the one immediately consecutive one below the fourth term is the third term, plus common difference D. So A3 here is here. First say A1, A2, A3, so we can write it in this form, 3 root 7, A3, plus common difference, just now we got 7. So 3 root 7 plus, sorry, root 7. Common difference is root 7. 3 root 7 plus 1 root 7 is 4 root 7, right? Just like 3x plus 1x, right? Then we can convert it to match the choice answers 1, 2, 3, 4 there. We know that a number outside can be brought inside the root. How? It can be brought inside the root by making it double. 4 double will become 4 single out. So we're reversing the process. We're bringing it inside. Single 4 can be brought inside by making it double. and then 7 was there from before inside the root. So 4 4s are 16 and into 7 is our answer. 7 6s are 42, 4 in hand. 7 1s are 7 plus 4 is 11. So root over 112. Why we change it into this form is because the choice answers are given in this format. So answer matching root 112 is the choice number 1, which is your root over 112 is the fourth term. 4 root 7 and root 112 is the same. Okay. Then A2. Let's go about it slowly. The last test of this exercise 5.1. So A2, let me read the question for us. Here, the common difference of the AP 1 by P, comma 1 minus P by P, and the third term, 1 minus 2P by P is what? So we have to find the common difference. So here, the given AP or given arithmetic progression is first term A1, 1 by P, A2, 1 minus P by P, comma, and A3, the third term, 1 minus 2P by P, comma, like this. And clearly they are in AP. Question says they are in AP, so we can be sure about that. So if they are in AP, they will have a common difference. Therefore, the common difference, the question is asking us this one, I think, common difference D will be equal to, common difference D will be equal to A2 minus A1, or it can also be A3 minus A2, up to you. So we can just take any one. You need not write both also, you can drop out this one also. A2 is 1 minus P by P minus A1 here, 1 by P. So you can take that, or you can take this one also, 1 minus 2P by P minus 1 minus P by P, following A3 minus A2. Okay, and you will get the same answer. If they are already in AP, that's always so. A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3, all of them will be equal because they have word common difference means they will be equal, right? So here we can take this out of your picture if you don't want. If you can want to put that, also fine. P and P LCM, denominator LCM is P, and P1s are P. No need to write this, just writing for explanation. So 1 into 1 is 1 minus 1 into P is P, and again P into 1 is P, and 1 1s are 1, and here is a minus. So no sign in front of this 1 means plus 1, so plus 1, and here minus 1 means 0. So you are left with minus P by here P. Number cancelled by same number is 1, so minus 1 by 1 is minus 1. So the answer choice matching this one is the third one. The common difference is minus 1. Then A3. Okay, so A3. Let me read the question. The next term of the AP, root 18, root 50, root 98. So here, the given AP, surely they are AP, the question is saying, root 18, root 50, root 98, comma, dot, 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 etc. 3 terms are given. And you have to find the next term means the fourth term. A3, root 98, root 50, 18, yes. So to find the next term, before that you can rearrange this format into root over 9 into how much? 9 2s are 18. So we're going to take 2 as common in all, okay, comma. So 2 into how much? Let's write the 2 to make it same. 2 into 2, 4. 5 is there, 1 remainder, so that 1 will go to left of 0, 10. 2 5s are 10. You can sort it out like that. So 2 into 25 is definitely 50. And do the same thing here, root over, and write 2 into how much is 98. You can easily sort it out here itself. 2 4s are, sorry, excuse me. 2 4s are 8, 1 in hand. 1 will go to the left of 8 means 18. 2 9s are 18. So definitely 49 into 2 is 98. So we can, that way we can bring it out in this form. 9 can be written as 3, 3 will come out single as out of the root. No pair, no partner, so the root 2 remains inside the root. 25 can be written as 5 into 5 will come out as single 5. 2 likewise here, no partner, so it will remain inside. 7 sevens are 49, so 7 comes outside and 2 remains inside. So this is the new form A1, A2, A3, and we have to find A4. So to find the next term, we need common difference. So you write here common difference, which is denoted usually by D, is A2 minus A1 will be sufficient. So A2, A1, A2, so A2 is 5 root 2 minus A1 is 3 root 2. It's something like 5x minus 3x is plus 2x. So x here is like 2, right? Or akin to 2, root 2, sorry. So that is the common difference. So therefore, the next term in this AP series, which is A4, because up to A3 is given, A1, A2, A3. So A4 will be equal to, the one immediately below A4 is A3 plus the common difference. So A3 is 1, 2, 3. A3 is 7 root 2 plus the common difference is here 2 root 2. So that is 7x plus 2x kind of a thing. So that is 9 root 2. So that is our answer. And but we can, the choice is given in the form of everything inside the root, I think, again. Yes, so let us, this outside 9 can be brought inside this root by making it double, as you know by now. Double will go out of the root as single. Single will come inside the root, making double, right? 9 9s are 81, into 2 is 2 9 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. So this will be root over 162, and the answer choice that match root 162 is the third one, root over 162. I hope you're getting right. So fourth, the A4. Okay. Let me write here A4. Here the common difference of the AP 1 by 3, 1 minus 3p by 3, 1 minus 6p by 3 is what? So, like we've been doing here, given AP series is 1 by 3, 1 minus 3p by p, 1 minus 6p by 6p by 3, etc. And we have to find the common difference. So here, therefore, quite easy, I think. Since they're already in AP, common difference is sure. So common difference D here will be A2 minus A1 will be sufficient. So A2 is this one, 1 minus 3p by p, minus A1 is 1 by 3. Or if you like, you can also do A3 minus A2 also. The same answer will come out. 1 minus 3. So here, 1 by 3, 1 minus 3p by 3. Okay, so here the LCM, or you can break it up also, I think. Like this also you can do. Okay, 3p is the LCM, p and 3 LCM. So p into 3 is 3p. Let 3 multiply these two. 3 1s are 3 minus 3 3s are 9p. Then minus, then 3 into p is 3p. So p 1s are p. These things you need not write. I'm writing it for explanation's sake. Okay, so here 3 minus 9p minus 1p, minus 9 minus 1 is minus 10, because we have to add. Minus 10p divided by 3p. Okay, so wait a minute, I think 1 minus 3p by 3. Oh, this is, I made a mistake here. Just what, wait a minute, I wrote it wrongly. 1 minus 3p by 3, not p. This one, I made a mistake. Look into your question once. 1 minus 3p by 3. 1 minus 6p by 3, yes. Please correct it. So here 3 and 3 LCM 3. 3 1s are 3, so 1 will multiply these two, means remains same, 1 minus 3p. As I said earlier, this need not be put here. 3 ones are 3 again, 1 ones are 1, and there's a minus, so I put it in front. Minus 1 and no sign in front means here plus 1, 0. So we're left with minus 3p by 3. So 3 and 3 cancel means you're left with minus p. So the answer for the common difference is minus p, and the answer choice that matched that one is the fourth one, that is minus p. Okay, 2 more questions, A5 and A6. A5 is here, since if 1 by x plus 2, 1 by x plus 3, 1 by x plus 5 are in AP, then x equal to find. So since here, since question clearly tells us, since 1 by x plus 2, 1 by x plus 5, 1 by x plus 3, sorry, x plus 3 by 1 by x plus 5 are in arithmetic progression. According to the question, they're already in arithmetic progression for sure. Okay, therefore A2 minus A1 will be equal to A3 minus A2. Because if a sequence of quantities are in AP, they have a common difference, which means A2 minus A1 is common difference. A3 minus A2 is also common difference, so they will be equal because they have equal common difference, or common difference means they are equal. So A2 minus A1 will be surely equal to A3 minus A2 because they are in AP. Okay, so that means A2 here, 1 by x plus 2, and here minus A1 is this one, 1 by x plus 2 equal to A3 is this one, 1 by x plus 5 minus A2 is this one, 1 by x plus 3. Okay, it's just a matter of simplifying it. So longer line and LCM of denominator these two. Sorry, 1 by A2 is this one, 1 by x plus 3 minus 1 by x plus 2. So this LCM of denominator is x plus 3 into x plus 2. So x plus 3 is here. The one which is not there in the LCM is x plus 2. So x plus 2 multiplied to 1 will be x plus 2. There's a minus here, so you better put a bracket next. X plus 2 is in this denominator. The one missing is x plus 3. So x plus 3 into 1 is, multiply that to numerator, is x plus 3. Important to put bracket here because there's a minus outside, okay? Likewise, or similarly, x plus 5 into x plus 3 is the LCM of the two denominators on the right side. Then the first denominator is x plus 5, which is this, and the missing one is x plus 3. So x plus 3 into 1 is x plus 3. No need to put bracket for that because this is plus 1. But here minus 1, so we need to put a bracket, and x plus 3 is here, and x plus 5 into 1, x plus 5. Hope you're getting it right. X plus 2, x plus 3. Yes, so that's a matter of simplifying, as I said a moment ago. So x plus 2, same thing. And to remove this bracket, we multiply the outside to the inside signs. So minus into plus is minus x, minus into plus is minus 3. That way this bracket gets removed. Then here multiply x into x square plus x into 2, 2x. I mean, this will multiply both these terms. And the next term go plus 3 into x, 3x, plus into plus, plus 3 2s are 6. So that will be equal to here x plus 3, and again minus into plus, minus x, minus into plus, minus 5. That way this bracket removes, as I have explained the same thing here. By x into x is x square, plus x into 3 is 3x, plus into plus is plus, 5 into x, 5x, plus into plus is plus, 5 3s are 15. Okay, now here minus x and plus x becomes 0, plus 2 minus 3 is minus 1, minus 3 plus 2 subtraction, and bigger one minus, so this is the one, minus 3 plus 2 by x square. Then both are plus, 2x plus 3x is 5x, plus here 6 is equal to minus x plus x 0, minus 5 plus 3, like bigger one, subtraction 2, bigger one minus, so again minus 2, minus 2 divided by x square plus 3x plus 5x is plus 8x, then here plus 15, and we know that here minus on both sides means you can cancel the minus that are on the numerator. Then here cross multiply this 2 multiply these 3 terms. 2 into x square is 2x square plus 2 5s are 10x plus 2 6s are 12. Up and down cross multiply. After that equal sign, and this 1 multiply all these 3 terms, so it will remain x square plus 8x plus 15, meaning 1 into x square, 1 into 8x, 1 into 15x, or 1 into 15. And no minus, already cancelled. Bring all the terms on the one side. Okay, so here you write, that implies, okay, so 2x square plus 10x plus 6. Bring this one this side, then plus x square become minus x square. Bring this one to the left side, then minus 8x. Then plus 15 to the left side becomes minus 15 equal to 0. Nothing is 0 on the right side, so equal to 0. Then the like terms you combine. 2x square minus 1x square is plus 1x square. Plus 10x minus 8x is plus 2x. Plus 6 minus 15, you can go to rough and do that. Minus plus or subtraction, 5 minus, okay, so minus 15 and plus 12. Oh, I made a mistake here. 2x squared plus 10x plus 12, sorry. This is 12 plus 12, 10x plus 12, then bring them on. Minus x squared minus 8x, yes. So this one is minus 15 and here plus 12, subtract because minus plus 5 minus 2 is 3, bigger one minus, so you're going to end up with minus 3. In other words, plus 12 minus 15 is minus 3 is equal to 0. So it's already arranged in standard form. X squared term here, highest power, x to the power 1, second highest power of x and no x. So you can solve this one by splitting the middle term and factorizing. So plus and the minus is minus. For that you multiply first and third term. 1 into 3 is 3. So when we multiply the first and the third term, we get the number minus 3. Middle term is plus 2. So you split this 3 into its factor. 3 ones are 3 matching. This is plus, so put the bigger one plus minus. Plus 3 minus 1 plus 2. Exactly middle term you must get. We are getting plus and the minus. Minus 3 ones are 3 minus 3. Multiply, we are getting the product of the first and the third term, which is minus 3. Subtract this 2, we are getting exactly the middle term, which is plus 2. So that is the correct way of splitting the middle term here. So x squared plus 3x minus 1x means minus x, max plus 2x. So this plus 2x is split into these two terms, minus 3 equal to 0. The middle term is split, so we can factorize and find the value of x. So here, highest common factor of x squared and x is x. So x into x is x squared plus x gone out, so inside will be 3. Minus here 1 and 3 means highest common factor is 1. X here but not here, so that's not a highest common factor. So inside will be x minus into plus, then only matching this minus. Minus into plus minus. Were we to put here minus, it will be wrong because minus into minus is plus. And this is not plus, minus 3. So 1 3s are 3 equal to 0. That way we're going to come to the step where we are going to factorize these two terms. The common factor is x plus 3. So take that out. X plus 3 out means inside the bracket will be x. This has gone out, so inside will be minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, either the first factor x plus 3 here is equal to 0. So x will be, shift this plus 3 to right side, minus 3. Or next factor, x minus 1. X plus 3 equal to 0 gave us x equal to minus 3. This one is the second factor, equal to 0. Then we're going to get x equal to minus 1, shift that to right side, plus 1. But since, okay, if x equal to 3, sorry, minus 3, then the second term means a2 becomes equal to a1 a2 1 by x plus 3, which is 1 by x here. If we were to take minus 3, then we replace this x by minus 3 plus 3, so it will be 1 by 0, okay, which will be equal to an infinite number, because anything divided by 0 is infinite number. That is not possible. So in other words, therefore x equal to -3 is rejected, because if x equal to -3, then the second term a2 is turning out to be an infinite number, which will not satisfy the AP condition because it cannot be an infinite number. If this is infinite, then how does the common difference relate to the second term and we get to the fourth term, right? So that is not going to be infinite number, means basically that is not practically applicable here, so we reject it. Then we get here, therefore x accepted one is 1. Therefore our right value for x here, they're saying find x, is the first one, number 1, 1. Okay, and then here a6, last one. A6. I'm going to read the question similar to A5, I think. If k, 2k minus 1 and 2k plus 1 are 3 consecutive terms of an AP, value of k we have to find. So here, since k, 2k minus 1, and 2k plus 1 are 3 consecutive terms of an arithmetic progression AP, means they are in AP, therefore A2 minus A1 will be surely equal to A3 minus A2. A2 minus A1 will be equal to A3 minus A2. It gives you A2 here, 2k minus 1 minus A1, this one k, will be equal to A3, 2k plus 1 minus A2, 2k minus 1, put in brackets for at least once. So plus into plus, or plus 2k minus 1 minus k equal to 2k plus 1, because plus is outside, and minus into plus, minus 2k, minus into minus, plus 1. So minus 2k plus 2k 0. 2k minus 1k is 1 plus 1k, plus 2 minus 1 is plus 1, right? Subtraction. So we're getting here 2k minus 1k. No number means 1k is there. 2k minus 1k, k minus 1, plus 1 is plus 2. So k value will be equal to 2, and this shift to right side, plus 1. So k is equal to 3. So the answer choice that makes this k value equal to 3 is the second one, which is the 3. That completes the part 4, test 5.1F, and the last test for this exercise 5.1. I hope you got it.